I command reality itself!
You don't need to get a swelled head about it.
I'll find you and tear you apart molecule by molecule!
Really? Sounds fascinating. Tell me more. Show off.
I am eternal!
Really? Sounds fascinating. Tell me more. Really? Sounds fascinating. Tell me more. You're full of something. Show off. Show off.
I'm tired of this game!
Really? Sounds fascinating. Tell me more. Show off.
You will bow down before me!
You're full of something. You're full of something. I'm real intimidated. Show off. Really? Sounds fascinating. Tell me more. You're full of something.
I will christen my new dimension with your ashes.
Show off.
I have all of eternity to find you.
You're full of something. I'm real intimidated.
I will christen my new dimension with your ashes.
I'm real intimidated.
I have all of eternity to find you.
Show off. Show off.
Behold, now the tiny Spider-Man stands against me.
Hey, I'm sensitive about my height, okay?
You are over, Spider-Man! Behold my power! Face me and be crushed by a god! Your end has come! Little spider, I have a little surprise for you. There are so many ways to destroy you! You are over, Spider-Man! Face me and be crushed by a god!
I'm glad you find yourself amusing. I get it, you're happy. Enough with the laughing already.
I've got my eye on you. Itsy bitsy spider, time to wash you out.
And with that, supervillain banter hits an all-time low.
I'll show you what I'm capable of. There are so many ways to destroy you! No!
Stop hitting your face with my fist!
You dare use my own creations against me? Your life ends now. You
Falling again? You know, standing on solid ground is so 29.
I grow weary of this battle. This should finish you.
It should, but it won't. Whee!
Death awaits you.
Dead. Perish the thought.
Dodge this.
That one was actually close.
Prepare to fail.
Okay, but if I prepare for it and then I achieve it, isn't that a success? That one was actually close.
You are over, Spider-Man.
Come on, how about a real challenge?
Now is the moment to strike.
I'm having a smashing time. How about you?
You test my patience.
Quickly, after him, Spider-Man.
Come and get me if you can! Do you honestly think you can defeat me? I'd like to see you try!
Glad to oblige. I'm having a smashing time. How about you?
You test my patience!
Quickly, after him, Spider-Man.
Come and get me if you can! More gifts for you!
Now!
Yeah, it's all broken. Is this helping or hurting? I get the two mixed up.
Here I come!
of all the dimensions. Get ready to kiss my fist.
A lesson to all you wannabe bad guys out there. When destroying dimensions and defying do-gooders, watch out. Because you might unleash forces beyond your control. Like the palpable power of 4 sensational Spider-Men.
Wait, the tablet! Oh, it could still be mine! It could still...
Some guys never learn. And speaking of learning, you should learn how to count. Something tells me you're outnumbered. Gentlemen.
I really hate this fella.
Ah, come on, he's a blast to kick in the face.
Pal, you got... Shot!
Well done. The walls of reality are rebuilding themselves. And now, you must all return to your own dimensions.
See you later, older and less cool versions of me.
Old? Hey, I'm from the future. To me, all you guys are ancient history.
Good to know there is a future, and men like you to carry on the good fight.
Word. Bye, guys. Next time you should hang around longer. We could start a bridge club or something. Come on, Misty. Time to drop you off at Supervillain Daycare.
Thank you, Spider-Man. You should be proud to know your legacy is being upheld across time and space.
Yeah, those guys were all right. But you have to admit...
With 4 different Spider-Men?
The one thing I know for sure...
Out of all of them,
I'm the best!
And so ends one of the most titanic team-ups of all time. And what have we learned here today, Marvelites? That no matter what corner of the cosmos you may find yourself in, there'll always be a friendly neighborhood Spider-Man to save the day. And to all of you web-spinning wonders, I proudly say, Excelsior!